Hello everyone, and thanks for choosing GainWix.ai. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a new campaign in GainWix.ai and help you get started on your journey. Understanding campaigns. Before we dive in, let's clarify what a campaign means in GainWix. Our definition of a campaign is somewhat different from those on other platforms. A campaign is defined as a series of events you would undertake under one single initiative. For example, imagine you're running a Black Friday sale. The series of strategies you follow to achieve your Black Friday sales goal would constitute a campaign. Similarly, in GainWix, a campaign signifies a series of events that occur within a stipulated timeframe. Creating a campaign. Creating a campaign in GainWix is quite straightforward. You'll find the Create Campaign button in the top right corner. Simply click on it. First, you'll need to name your campaign. For this demonstration, I'm naming it Diwali CL. Currently, we offer one primary campaign specification, time specified. The perpetual campaign type is exclusively available for our API customers. So, if you plan to integrate our product through an API, the perpetual campaign type will be listed there. Next, you'll select your campaign goal. GainWix allows you to track 3 different types of goals: engagement, leads, and awareness. Engagement refers to the various types of interactions people have with your promotions. Leads are generated when an individual shows interest in your promotions. Awareness involves showcasing your offerings to customers. For instance, if you're launching a new product and want to build customer awareness, this falls under the awareness stage. For this example, I'm selecting leads as my goal. We've also included a target for your goal. For this case, I'm setting a goal target of 10. This target can be either overall or unique. Overall means that one lead can be counted multiple times. For example, if I click on the same message repeatedly, I'll be counted as an overall lead. While this makes the goal target easier to achieve, I personally prefer unique leads. Unique goals are what everyone should be targeting. Currently, for Indian customers, only WhatsApp is available, while SMS and other options are available for US customers. So you won't be able to choose other options here. After that, you define the campaign's duration. A campaign must have a start date and an end date. Just like our Black Friday example, which might run from November 1st to November 30th, or Diwali and Pongal sales that start 15 days before and last 15 days after the festival. I'm selecting the dates from June 30th to July 20th. Campaign overview. Once the campaign is created, like our Diwali sale campaign, its status will show as running. It shows running because I've set the campaign to be available from June 30th. If you had selected a future date, like July 1st or August 1st, the status would be scheduled because the start date hasn't arrived yet. The campaign will only begin running after the stipulated time. Clicking on the campaign will provide you with a series of analytics. The campaign overview section gives you brief information about sent, delivered, and bounced messages, as well as an overall campaign summary. You'll also have an option to view goal info to see the progress of your goal, whether it has started, is going well, needs attention, or is completed. Everything is visible right here. We also provide an overview of broadcast performance based on the broadcasts you've made so far. This is a brief look at the campaign overview. Broadcasts and sequences. Next to the overview, you'll find the execution section, which is where most of your work happens. We allow 2 different types of execution: broadcast and sequence. Broadcast is generally used for awareness and engagement purposes. If you've launched a new product or are running an offer and you want to inform all your customers about it, you would typically create a broadcast and send it out. This ensures everyone is aware that your brand is holding a sale. For example, if you own an e-commerce brand and want to offer a buy one, get one deal, your existing customers are likely to be interested since they already trust you. When this message lands in their inbox, the conversion rate will be significantly higher when targeting existing customers. That's what a new broadcast is for. The next type is sequence. Sequences are used to create your own bots that will automatically run on WhatsApp. This could be a qualification bot or tailored to any other specific use case you have. Creating a new broadcast. Let's talk about creating a new broadcast. Clicking on New Broadcast will guide you through a 5-step process, which is quite simple. Step 1. Basic settings. It starts by giving your broadcast a name. For example, Diwali broadcast. As I mentioned, currently only the WhatsApp channel is selected as we focused on WhatsApp integration. Below that, you'll find the Send From option. If you have multiple phone numbers connected to your WhatsApp account, they will all be listed here, allowing you to select which number to send from. In my case, I have only one number, labeled Test Account, so I'm selecting that. Beneath that, you have the option to Send Now or Send Later. Send Now lets you send messages immediately, while Send Later allows you to schedule your messages for a particular date and time. Please ensure that your Send Later schedule coincides with the campaign dates, otherwise it will generate an error. For now, I'm using the Send Now option. Step 2. Define audience. Clicking Next takes you to the second step, Define audience. We provide a sample sheet for you to download, which outlines the mandatory details needed to send campaigns. The country code and phone numbers are the most important fields. We recommend including both the country code and the phone number for all contacts. Once you have your file ready, you can choose to upload it directly. Our system will then read the file and display the total number of unique contacts, duplicates, and invalid entries. You also have the option to choose another file. Please ensure the second file has a different name. Our system will also filter out unique contacts and duplicates from this additional file. At this moment, only 2 files are allowed. Once everything looks correct, click Next. Step 3. Create segments. Clicking Next moves you to the next step, creating segments. You can either use the uploaded files as individual audiences or merge them together to create a single audience. In this case, I'm using them as individual files. The total number of contacts in each file will be listed under Contact List 1 and Contact List 2. You can create multiple segments under each contact list and set time delays for them. For this example, I'm just going with the first segment. You can also add Contact List 2 directly here. Once this is done, I've added only one segment under each contact list, and we need to provide delays. I've set a 5-minute delay between Contact List 1 and Contact List 2. After this, you can click Next. Step 4. Select templates. You'll see some predefined templates that I've created previously. I'll show you how to create templates using GainWix.ai in a separate video. Only Meta-approved templates will be listed here. If I click on a template, you'll see a preview of it. It also displays the name and the mobile number from which the message will be sent. This step is simply about selecting the desired templates. Any active templates will be listed here. You can also delete existing ones and add new ones. Step 5. Review and activate. Click Next. This final step provides a complete overview of everything we've done so far, including broadcast settings, segments, and segment types. It's for verification purposes. If you'd like to send a test message to your team, you can use the test message inbox. Just type in the name and mobile number and send it. This allows your team to see how the message will appear to the customer. Once everything looks fine and you have sufficient credits to run this broadcast, clicking Activate will initiate the process. This is the process of creating a broadcast in GainWix.ai. It's a very simple process that helps you understand the reasoning behind your broadcasts. The system will handle the rest. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.